Hello my friends, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be guiding you through a new episode of my guided workout series. Today we are in one of my favorite parking garages, which is detailed with some exquisite murals and some exquisite art. Let's go ahead and do a little workout in here. Today we're going to do an arm workout. I hope you're ready to learn something new. Today we're going to have a warm-up, a cool-down, and 3 rounds of circuit training, so you're going to get the whole package. Let's get ready to start. We're going to go ahead and begin with some jogging and arm rotations. I'll show you. We're going to move nice and light on our feet, and we're actually going to extend our arms, and we're going to bring them up, down to our chest, and repeat. Go ahead and join me. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth, and move nice and light on your feet. We're jogging in place, and we're moving those arms. Breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth as we keep our head and our chest up. Here we go. We're moving to arm circles next. We're going to do some nice arm circles forward, nice and wide, keeping that head and chest up, and breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Go ahead and stop. Rotate the opposite direction. Nice big circles. Keep them moving. Here we go. We're going into jumping jacks. Here we go. We're moving nice and light on our feet. If we need a variation for this, we can remove the jump and step 1 foot out at a time as we bring our arms up. Otherwise, it's a nice, clean jumping jack. And continue to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Next up, we got some inchworms. Let's go ahead and stand at the middle or top of the mat, and we're going to forward fold, walk those hands out, inch forward, and return to your starting position. Inhale on your way down. Exhale as you're coming into that high plank. Inhale to return. Exhale, stand up. Finish up your last rep. High plank. And stand up. Great job, my friends. That was our warm-up round. I hope you're ready for our first round of our actual circuit training. If you are, go ahead and take a 30-second rest and meet me back here so we can get started. See you in a few. Welcome to round 1, my friends. Let's go ahead and get started. First up, we're going to sit on the ground. We're going to get into a reverse plank. We are going to have our hands directly below our shoulders, send our booties up. We're going to hold this position here, breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth, keeping our core engaged and our neck and spine neutral. Focus on our breath and our form, keeping our glutes engaged and abdomen engaged. Great job. Go ahead and relax. Turn it around. We're going into a Superman to push-up next. We're starting in a Superman form, sending it to a push-up and repeating. Exhaling through your mouth to get yourself up. Inhale, Superman, and repeat. Here we go. On your last rep, stay up. We're going to flow next into a high plank. We're keeping our neck and spine neutral, our core engaged, and our hands are stacked directly below our shoulders. keeping those booties nice and low. Focus on your breath and hold this form. We have a couple of seconds left. And we're moving on to a modified burpee. We're going to step our foot forward, squatting up, squat down, and return to that high plank, perform a push-up, and repeat. This is a modified burpee. We're squatting, extending back, going into a push-up, and repeating. Focus on your form, and finish strong here. Great job, my friends. Go ahead and take a 30-second rest. You will meet here for round 2 of our circuit training. Great job. Welcome back, my friends. Let's go ahead and get right into round 2 and start with our reverse plank. Taking it down to the ground. Again, hands are stacked directly below our shoulders. We're sending that booty up, locking our glutes, engaging our abdomen, and keeping our neck and our spine neutral. We focus on that form and focus on that breath. Last couple of seconds. Great job. Go ahead, turn it around to your Superman to push-ups. We're starting with a Superman. Exhaling to push-up. Inhale down. Here we go. Exhale, Superman. Exhale, push-up. Use the strength in your breath to help you move your body. Here we go. On your last push-up rep, hold that high plank. Keep your hands stacked directly below your shoulders. Keep your neck and your spine neutral. And breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Here we go, last couple of seconds. And we're going to our modified burpee, stepping our feet in, squatting up, squatting down, stepping out and into a push-up. We're repeating, moving with control here. Breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Here we go, finish up your rep. Great job, my friends. That was round 2. Go ahead and take another 30-second rest. You're killing it. Go ahead and relax for a second and meet me here for round 3. Welcome back to round 3, my friends. Let's finish it off nice and strong. Let's start with that reverse plank. Again, hands are stacked directly below the shoulder. We're going to lift our booties up. And we're engaging that abdomen, the whole abdomen, keeping it nice and tight. Engaging our glute muscles here. Breathing in through our nose. Out through our mouth, keeping our booties nice and high. Last couple of seconds. Go ahead, gently return to that Superman form. And let's go. Push up and return, Superman. Move with control. Making a muscle and mind connection with each rep. Last couple of seconds. Here we go. Stay up for that high plank hold when you finish your last push-up. And again here, our hands are stacked directly below our shoulders. Our neck and spine is neutral. And we're breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Last couple of seconds. And this is our last modified burpee. We're stepping in, squatting up, squat down into your push-up. And repeat. Focus on your form. Send that booty back. Push up nice and clean. Focus on moving with your breath. Inhale down. Exhale up. Finish up that rep. And my friends, congratulations. That concludes today's workout. If you enjoyed this one, stick around. Take another 30-second rest and meet me here for our cool down round. Alright my friends, you've made it to the cool down round. Let's go ahead and start. First up, we have a tricep stretch. Let's go ahead and bring our arms up. We're going to grab onto our right elbow and pull it towards our left shoulder. Focus on your breath. Nice deep breath in and out. We have a couple of seconds left in this move and we're going to switch sides to our other arm. Focus on your breath. Go ahead and gently release and grab on to your left elbow and pull it towards your right shoulder. Nice and gently, finding a nice stretch on your tricep. Focus on your breath. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Last couple of seconds here. Great job. Next we're going into a bicep stretch. We're going to send our arms back. Thumbs are pointing down towards the ground. Sending our arms back. Now we're going to rotate our thumbs out and in, finding a stretch in our bicep muscles here. Last couple of seconds left in this move. Next up, we're going to open up our arms, hug ourselves, and repeat. Opening up our chest, opening up our shoulders here. We're swinging those arms in and out. Continue to breathe. Next up, right hand engages underneath the left arm, pulling it towards your chest, coming into a shoulder stretch here. We breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. Bringing our heart rate down, nice and gently. Last couple of seconds, and we switch arms. Left arm engages, hook underneath towards your chest. Focus on breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Last couple of seconds here. Gently release your arms. We're going into a lateral stretch. Grab onto each elbow and we're coming right, leaning into a lateral stretch for our left side here. Focusing on breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Gaze goes up towards the elbow and we breathe. And gently turn to the opposite side. Focus on your breath. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. We have a couple of seconds left here. Release those arms, keep them out to your side, and we're going to forward fold towards our left. Bringing those arms in towards your toes. Finding a nice deep stretch in our hamstrings, our glutes, our lower back. Gently rainbow ourselves up and switch sides. Forward fold towards our right leg. Hands come towards the foot. And we find ourselves in a nice deep hamstring stretch, along as a back stretch. And we rainbow back up. And that, my friends, concludes today's training. You guys did fantastic. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash those thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe and set up your little notification bell so you don't miss the next workout. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. And take a look at this art.